Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright guys, we are at the post office doing a Promaster. These people lose and break keys like nobody's business. So we have an existing trans key that I'm sure we've made them in the past. They lost the flip key. Lost or broke, I can't remember. I did a couple here. So we're going to make them a new flip key, program the trans back in. See if we can get rid of this glare. There we go. Okay. So for this, you need an Autel 508 or 608. The KM will not do it. It'll make the key, but it won't program the remote. So if you're just doing a trans, you can do that. You can generate a dealer key and program a key, but it won't take the remote. And you need the, I believe this is XP400, yeah, to generate the dealer key or the programmer that the 508 comes with. We're going to go to control unit. Immobilizer, BCM, turn the air off, not kill the battery. And what we're going to do is read the immobilizer data, key learning, read emo data, connect to Wi-Fi, yes. Don't really have to do that. We're going to read the emo data, make a dealer key, there's that, password's in there. We're going to save that. Come back out, make a dealer key. There's a lot more instructions in here than there is work. Connect to Wi-Fi, which it already told us. We're going to select that file. I just go to the newest one. A lot easier than trying to remember what you made it at. Took me a while to figure that one out. Connect the programmer, put a blank 46 chip into the induction area. Yep. Make sure it's plugged in. It's going to check, make sure this is unlocked. You'll get a barely audible click out of the programmer. Generate the dealer key. This takes about 15-20 seconds here. Mosquito, don't like them. Alright, dealer key generation succeeded. Now we're going to come back to learn keys, key learning, excuse me. Pay attention here because there is a lot of steps and a lot of stuff that you're probably not going to read, but one of these is going to tell you whether or not you need to leave the key off during the programming portion. This is just saying all keys, just like a Honda or something like that, you have to have all the keys that you want programmed to the car with you, or they are dead forever. There's no getting them back in. Please make sure all keys are here again. Current number of keys is 2. Ignition off. Ignition off. Back in. To ensure the BCM doesn't go to sleep, put the hazard lights on. This is a very quick process. You don't really need to do that, but it said to, so I did. Key successfully learned. That is their existing key. Now we want to program my key. Showing you there's one key in. Put your key in. Bunch more instructions. Would you like to program additional keys? Yes. If you hit no, that key is dead forever and you got to start over. The key is not in, put it in. Key successfully learned. Okay. Do I want to program additional keys? No. Please make sure all keys are programmed. If you press yes, any keys will be disabled and can no longer work. That's just giving you one more out before you kill those keys. I'm good, so I'm pushing yes, and we are done. Number of programmed keys 2, number of disabled keys 6. Like I said, we do a lot of keys for these people, a lot. Most of them we've done at least once and already have the key code for. So now you just want to put the flip key in. You want to leave it off for 10 or 15 seconds, which is it already has been. It helps the remote work better, or work the first time. Start it up. Make sure it runs past a couple seconds. Take it out. Test your buttons. Lock is not going to work because the door is open. Just hit unlock, back door, good to go. Make sure their key took back. And we are good to go.